What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and today's recipe is avocado garlic butter salmon. It will be keto friendly. So, over the few holidays, this guy right here, he's been getting chubby, getting a little weight on him, about 17 pounds exact. So, I'm gonna do the keto recipe to lower my weight. And I'm gonna try to lose weight too. So now let's get to cooking, but we gotta go get the salmon. So let's roll.
Look at that. Look at the beauty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one got your name right there.
Okay, yeah, we get that one.
That one. You got it.
What's up, buddy? So here you go, guys. The beautiful filet salmon. Right now at Tom Thumb, $5.99 a pound. Looking good. So what we want to do is we cut the portion that we want and then we get to cooking. Let's go. So here we go, guys. The finished product. See that? Looks delicious, huh, Jackson? Jackson, he loves a lot of cheese on it. So I'm gonna put more cheese on it, okay, Con? This is Parmesan cheese galore. Here you go, Con. Here you go, dig in. I'll take first bite. Look at that. And first bite. How is it?
Good.
Yummy? Thumbs up? Yeah. So good. Here you go. Eat. So guys, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and push the subscribe button and ring that bell for notification, all right? Thank you for watching, and we out. You do flip fish?